On the calculator, press this menu button. This screen appears. Choose STAT by pressing on number 2 key. This screen appears. Use list 1 and list 2 columns only. Type in the time data in list 1 and the concentration, Lin concentration, or 1/over concentration in list 2. Press the EXE key so you can enter the second value in the list. Now we are ready to plot these values. Press the F1 button twice to graph these data. When you are in this screen, and if you press F1, then F3, you get the slope value A and the y-intercept B. To double check that all points lie on the same line, press F6 button. If you press a wrong key and you need to go back, press the exit key.